here's our milk for the yogurt, and you can use the milk of your choice, just about any kind of milk you choose. I poured mine in a small pot. You can use the microwave if you want, but I choose to do mine on the stove top. So I'm going to test it again to make sure I'm at 180 before I lower it to 115. Let's see where we are. It's a little process, but it's worth it, believe me. All right, here we go. We're getting closer. I'm at 160. I might still need to leave it a little more so that it can swiftly get to 180. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so here I am with my thermometer checking the temperature, and it's right at 180. So that means we remove it from the heat and let it cool back to. So this is our starter of choice and the one that we're going to be using today. So now I'm going to pour my starter culture in. That's what I had left. Mix well. And this is what gets poured into the yogurt maker, and you leave that to ferment for anywhere between 8 and 24 hours. Everything is poured into the yogurt maker. We're going to cover it up securely and make sure we turn that dial on to the yogurt button. Very important. Has to be on that button for it to come out right. And now this is the finished product. Non-porous, rich, thick, creamy. Exactly how you want your yogurt to be. So good.